चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
After 4 phases of Odisha Assembly elections, the state goes in for exit polls. Similar to 2019, BJT and BJP are in a neck-to-neck competition regarding who will hold the Odisha throne. Key battles were recorded in Balasore, Jajpur, Kendrapara and Bhadra constituencies. According to the P-Mark survey, the vote share was slightly lower than 2019. Listen in to have a look at the vote share and other detail.
The Odisha election, held in 4 phases with vote counting on June 4th, sees a primary contest between the BJD and BJP. The elections witnessed a fight between the two, with the BJP making a spirited effort in the 2024 election.
हिंदुस्तान के सभी राजनीतिक दलों के नेताओं के साथ हमारे संबंध अच्छे ही हैं और लोकतंत्र में हमारी दुश्मनी नहीं होती है, संबंध अच्छे होने ही चाहिए। अब सवाल ये है कि मैं मेरे संबंधों को संभालूं कि उड़ीसा के भाग्य की चिंता करूं। तब मैंने रास्ता चुना कि मैं उड़ीसा के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए अपने आप को खपा दूंगा। उसके लिए मेरे संबंधों को मुझे अगर बलि चढ़ाना पड़ेगा तो मैं उड़ीसा की भलाई के लिए बलि चढ़ाऊंगा और चुनाव के बाद मैं कन्विंस करूंगा हर एक को कि भाई मुझे किसी की दुश्मनी नहीं है।
While the BJD is confident about their consecutive win, according to P-Mark survey, the votes gare in 2024 is 41.4%, which is slightly lower than 43.3% seen in 2019. Meanwhile, BJP makes a jump from 38.9% vote share from 2019 to 46.8% in 2024. Key battles were witnessed in constituencies like Balasore, Jajpur, Kendrapara and Bhadra. In Balasore, a triangular contest unfolded between BJP's Pratap Chandra Sarangi, BJD's Lekha Shri Samant Singhar and Congress's Shrikant Kumar Jaina. While Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan is confident about a BJP victory,
हमारी पूरा विश्वास है महाप्रभु के आशीर्वाद से इस बार भारत में माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में एक निर्णायक, एक दृढ़ सरकार बनेगा जो देश कल्याण में, हमारे राज्य उड़ीसा के कल्याण में अनेक महत्वपूर्ण फैसला आने वाले दिनों में लेगा। आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी उसके माध्यम बनेंगे, यही हमारा विश्वास है। उड़ीसा में भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेतृत्व में इस बार सरकार होगी, पहली बार बीजेपी की सरकार उड़ीसा में होगा। ये प्रभु के आशीर्वाद हमारे ऊपर है।
Republic brings to you exit poll survey. Listen in.
Mr. Gurumurthy, interesting Odisha situation where not going with Naveen Patnaik seems to be working for the BJP. People were surprised that Narendra Modi didn't go with Naveen Patnaik, but it seems to be working for the BJP.
Actually, it was a very strategic disengagement.
Yes.
If they had engaged together,
Yeah.
then the anti-establishment votes of Naveen Patnaik would have shifted to the Congress and revived the Congress in Orissa.
Yeah.
That's why an alliance which was about to take place was strategically broken by the BJP, so as to retain the anti-establishment votes.
Yes.
Because those who wanted to vote out Naveen Patnaik
Yeah.
feel the BJP would win,
Yeah.
and they would vote for the BJP.
Yes. Okay,
If they
ladies.
had shifted to the Congress, they would have wasted their votes.
the crucial question is, will the BJP overshadow the BJD this election season? Or will the BJD manage to keep the Saffron Party at the bay for the 6th time in a row?